Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a special unboxing, something coming in out of California, but not really California. I'm going to be opening it up with my Kizer Militaw in the 80s camo carbon with the polished DLC blade. Alright, today we're going to open it up with the Militaw, so let's see what we got in here. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, so that's kind of why I'm opening it up with that box there. So this might be two separate boxes right here. So we'll do this one second, and we'll do this one first. Let's open up this one here first. So if you're wondering, yes, I did cut myself, and I cut myself pretty good. It's really stupid. I wasn't paying attention, talking to my son, and slipped on a really sharp blade. Not one of these, but hopefully I won't need stitches. We'll see. We'll see if it heals up. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go get stitches. But today we're looking at a Kizer knife. Does it say what it is? It's a mini Militaw. Maybe something similar to my 80s camo carbon? I don't know. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. So this is the Christmas, I'm going to say wish you a happy holiday kind of a thing. It is a Militaw box, so let's see what we got in here. I do like that. All right, so best wishes for you. Nice Christmas. Looks like a little package of stickers, kind of like a little gift bag there. It looks like you have some confetti on the inside as well, which is kind of cool. Very nice, very nice. Got the extra hardware. We've got the little cloth in here and a little paper. So that's all nice. Nice little celebration. Little bow and little ribbons. All really, really cool. Digging that. And here's the package. A nice little bag. Let's see, what is this? What could this possibly be? I don't know. I don't know. I'm pretty excited though. What are we talking about here? Are we talking about a Militaw Junior? A mini Militaw here? Let's see, what do we got here? Unfortunately, looks like it might have gotten a little scratch there, but let's see. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Nice little polished. A nice little version of the Militaw. Oh, yeah. Nice little flick there. All right, I'm going to do this left-handed now. This is my hurt hand. Can't really close it right now with this, but we should be able to do the flip right there on the knuckle. Yeah, for sure. Let's see, can we do the flip here? We can. Okay. A little difficult with the thumb, but left-handed works really, really nice. Look at that. Now, unfortunately, this one doesn't have as much orange. I wish it had more of the orange that I liked over there. This is more of the blue and the green and the pink. So it's okay. It's okay. This one also has a little Kaiser emblem on there. Pretty much the same thing. It's just a smaller version. It is nice. Let's get one of these cloths here real quick, and we'll clean off the blade. All right, so this one says Kaiser on the blade, whereas this one has nothing on the blade. This one is a complete blank slate, if you will, over here. I think we get a little oil and we can clean that off right there. Yeah. So, as you can see, here we go. So this one has more. This one actually says Mini Militaw M390. Looks like that's Jonathan. Is that Jonathan Stiles? Who's the designer on this one again? This is Jonathan Stiles. Yeah, Jonathan Stiles. So this one has a little more stuff on there, more writing on there, where the other one doesn't. I kind of like the plain Jane look. It doesn't have to. I mean, honestly, that is probably the nice Kaiser kind of touch there. Relatively small. This does say Mini Militaw, but I don't need it to say that. I don't mind the designer logo. I think that would be absolutely perfect. It could say M390 right there, or M390 hidden under the blade. I think that would be totally cool. I don't think it says M390 anywhere on here at all. No, it does not anywhere. Oh, it does right. Well, oh, that's number 36. I guess so. That's 36 out of a certain number. Okay, so they only had a limited run of this one. I gotcha. Okay. So I don't know if there was a limited run of this one. It does have a nice little action. So here's my big old meaty fingers. Let me show you over here. I can't really grip too hard over here, but I've got plenty of room to choke up. I mean, down here I'm at 3 finger, but if I choke up like this, absolutely can do full 4 fingers. So my large hands with big meaty fingers would be equivalent to your extra large hands with regular size fingers, double extra large hands with thinner fingers, right? So this is about where you're going to be at. It is pretty cool. It would have been nice to have a little bit of matching in color. It's not quite the color. I love this color way more. This one's okay. Right? It's small. It's a mini. It's cool. So still matches though. It'll be nice to carry a little mini knife like this. Could be a nice little gift to my wife or something, right? But there you go. I like this one. This was kind of cool. So everything that the other Militaw was, and it works. It works really well. Let's see here. I can flip it really well. The problem I have over here, I can't use my thumb at all. So I can flip it like that, but I can't close it. And I can't really hold it right here. I can do that, but I can't really, what was the other thing I was trying to do? Oh yeah, to do this, I got to have a better grip. Let's see, now I can do it. Just my thumb needed to be over there, so there you go. All right, so similar screw designs, 4 screws there, 4 screws there, single screw there, which it is down inside as well. Definitely less material. It's a little more polished up here. I don't know if that's just because I carried it more. It's now more polished because I've been carrying it. I don't know. But definitely pretty cool. Let's see, is that edge? Edge is still pretty sharp. Yeah, pretty sharp. Now, I will say I like to figure out what is the blade shape. So this one had a relatively, I think we figured on 20 degrees, but this one feels pretty even on both sides. Yeah, pretty even on both sides. So let's see, are we around 20? Where are we at? Okay, maybe 21, 22. Let's see. Yeah, maybe it's like 21, 22. Yeah, I'm going to have to say that's probably where we're at. Definitely pretty sharp. Yep, definitely a razor, you can see. Definitely shaving the hairs off there, so definitely has a nice edge to it for sure. This was probably machine sharpened, so a little strop kind of hones in any sort of little burrs or whatever that might have been done on the belt strap. Very cool little knife. I dig this one. I dig this one a lot. I think it's kind of nice. So the big difference is that you're going to find, obviously, it's a smaller handle. Blade shape, DLC high polished. I like that. It does have some emblem on there. Everything's nice and rounded everywhere around. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty soft. It has a little bit of an edge there. They didn't quite take that edge off on this one like they did over here. So that's kind of a bummer. That's a little different. Nice and rounded around here, which is cool. Rounded around the handle. So still very comfortable. Action is still beautiful. I'll probably put skiffs in this one as well because I liked having skiffs in it. So I don't know if I have skiffs for this size one. We'll see if it takes the same one. Hopefully it does. I don't know if I still have, if I ran out or if I had any left. But we'll do that here in just a second. Maybe make that part 2 of the video. But that's really nice. So I have skiffs in this and it's super buttery smooth with the skiffs. Really nice. So, all right, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's do the part 2 here and put some skiffs in. So here's the T8. I'm going to probably speed this up as I go along, so may not see this. Five millimeter, 3/64. 5mm, 3/64. Let's see if I have any of those. I might have used the last one, but let's see. Yeah, I don't think I have any that's going to fit this. That's just too bad. So we're not going to be able to put any any skiffs on this one today. I'll just clean it off a little bit though. Need to order some more. All right, so I happen to have another knife here that I think I can borrow some from, so I'm going to try to take them off from here. Got to put oil on the detent ball and detent track. Dang it. A little distracted. All right. So I took the skiffs from the other knife, since I wasn't using that, put it on this one, at least till I can order some more. Because this is the one that I would like to use it more in. Ironically, this Lander 2 is also made by Kaiser for Mountain Knives. All right, let's see, where is the detent? So you clear the detent about where? Right there. When it drops, does it catch there as well? Yeah, it can catch right there as well. There we go. So, yeah, very similar. All right, very cool, very cool. I'm going to put the NAFS one back on, and I'll put these steel ones back on here. We'll put that in the box, and we'll reassemble this other one. All right, so yeah, I did do a little Frankenstein here, but you know, I didn't really do Frankenstein. I mean, I'm going to put everything back, so we're fine, right? I did put a little bit of oil on the cage bearings, which I really wanted to do. All right, and then I put some on the detent, which I wanted to do and missed. Happens sometimes. Unfortunately, I'm out of those size skiffs, so I'm gonna have to order some more of those for sure. All right, very cool, very cool. All right, so we'll get back to reassembling the Lander, but for now, I'm gonna just kind of put all this off to the side over here. And we'll put this off to the side and this off to the side. So here we are. Here we are. All right, very cool. The Kizer Mini Militaw. Nice little knife. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, you can feel that. Even better with skiffs. I mean, don't get me wrong. The ones that they had on there, not bad at all. But, you know, skiffs just give it a little extra creamy goodness. So I like that. I like that a lot. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, or just entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, enjoys the content. It's part of the channel, it's part of the live stream. I appreciate every one of you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button so you can be notified of future content down below as well. And also to all the channel members, a big, huge thank you. Big shout out. I appreciate every one of you guys for all you do and how you support the channel. You guys are amazing. I do 2 special things for channel members. But if you want to become a channel member, just check out the link down below, at the description down below. There's a link for 3 different tiers. Love to have you as a channel member. Don't ever feel obligated. But if you would like to become a channel member, I do a once a month exclusive members giveaway. It's a special, better than the budget banger that we do giveaway. It is a little nicer knife. So just something to keep in mind if you're interested in that. And then also, all brand new channel members, email me with your name and address, and I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. My way to say thank you for becoming channel members and supporting the channel. Hey, I sure appreciate you guys, every one of you out there, everyone who watches the videos, who's subscribers, who are members. Just so you know, the members, I say a little extra thank you because you guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I would be able to do. So thank you. Thank you to every one of you guys out there. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.